Hello everyone, we are going to take a text here, making some designs around it into the center here. Let's stretch it, make the changes, add a fixed shape here, take an alignment here. So we will make a design shapes here. I will take the different colors. That's it.